In each of these fisheries, stocks are assessed using a similar process. In essence, this process relies on the collection of information by fishermen recording details of their catch and scientists measuring fish populations. Now, obviously scientists can't count all of the fish in a fishery, so instead they rely on computer models to estimate fish stocks. Computer models are used for a wide range of applications, not just fish stock assessments. For example, in weather forecasting, meteorologists gather a range of information including air pressure, sea temperatures, humidity, and satellite imagery. This information is plugged into a computer model, and the computer generates a weather forecast. In a similar way, stock assessment scientists collect information from the fishery and put that information into the computer model. The computer model then generates predictions about fish populations. Here's a diagram that illustrates how the stock assessment model works and represents a fish population over time. It's important to point out that unlike a weather forecast, our stock assessment models not only tell us what will happen in the future, but also what has happened in the past. The model predicts the fish population every year from when fishing started and up to 20 years into the future. So, let's have a brief look at the important information used to predict a fish population. Quite naturally, the population is either going up, down, or remaining unchanged. Now, just the same as humans, fish populations change, and this depends on the number of births and the number of deaths. Scientists call this recruitment and mortality. If we know how many fish we have to start with, how many are going to be recruited, and how many die, we can work out how many will be there next year. That's the basis of a stock assessment model.